And I'm Mike, and we are with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Special Properties.
This is episode 1 of Better Homes, Better Meals.
And today we are making a ranch-inspired gin and tonic.
From this month's issue of Better Homes and Gardens magazine.
This recipe starts with a milk-washed gin. Claire, what is a milk-washed gin?
Well, we went through many steps to make our milk-washed gin. Getting a small saucepan and boiling a whole cup of whole milk.
A whole cup of whole milk.
And then adding a quarter cup of lemon juice and letting those two curdle together.
They definitely curdled together.
They definitely did. From there, we removed it from the heat and we let it sit for 5 minutes before adding another cup of our favorite gin.
Dry gin.
Dry gin. And you're gonna wanna strain those curdles out through a coffee filter.
Strain it good because there's a lot of curdles.
Yeah. And then chill it at least an hour in the refrigerator.
We've got our glasses with ice, we've got our tonic water, and we've got our milk-washed gin. Yes, it's in a wine decanter.
We're gonna first start with our tonic.
Add a little bit of the milk-washed gin. Now for some garnish.
We've got
a whole smorgasbord.
with some dill.
A little lemon.
There you go, there you have it.
Cheers!
Cheers! Right.
Cheers, Claire. Not bad.
Yeah.
Not what I was expecting.
I was definitely not expecting this, actually. I like this one.
I kind of like it even better.
Our milk-washed gin.
Maybe if I add a carrot.
There you go.
We are making a gin-inspired gin and tonic.
Ranch-inspired gin and tonic.